Hey there! If you're watching this video, then I'm guessing you're planning to come to Nepal and possibly take on the Manaslu Circuit Trek. Well, you're in the right place. This video covers everything that you need to know before you start your adventure. So let's dive in! Manaslu is located in the northwest of Nepal, tucked inside the Manaslu Conservation Area. It's a trek that circles Mount Manaslu, the 8th highest peak in the world, rising over 8,000 meters. The best part? You're walking through untouched valleys and authentic Himalayan culture, far from the crowds. But here's why the trek is special. It's not about the big mountains. It's about connection to the people, the land, and even to yourself. Picture forest trails, silent mornings, and tea houses where every corner tells a story. Trust me, this trek is all about the experience. Wondering how long it will take? Well, you have a few options. It will take you 8 days if you're a seasoned trekker and want to cover the main route quickly. It will take you 10 days, the perfect pace for most trekkers, with proper rest and gradual altitude gain. And it will take you 13 days if you want to explore Pyungengompa or the stunning lakes. This adds a few extra days, but trust me, the extra time is worth it. Before heading to the Manaslu Circuit Trek, be ready for the trek. Stay fit with daily walks, cardio, or gym workouts to enjoy the trek to the fullest. The best time to go? Autumn for those clear skies and amazing mountain views, or spring when the rhododendrons bloom and the weather's perfect. You can try winter, but only if the snow is light. Monsoon season? It's doable. The trail will be lush and you'll deal with some rain. Your adventure starts in Kathmandu, and from there on, it's a scenic drive to Jagat. You'll pass smooth roads, bumpy roads, and get those non-stop mountain views. And to be honest, the sense of adventure starts as soon as you leave the city. Proper preparation is key. Essentials include waterproof gear, gloves, a down jacket, a warm sleeping bag, thermals, a warm hat, sturdy trekking boots, water bottles, electrolytes, altitude medicines, bandages, sunscreen, headlight. Although you do get filtered water everywhere, but you might want to carry water purification tablets. Trekking poles may seem optional at first, but believe me when I say they become your best friends when the trails get steep. Pack wisely, lightly, and purposefully. Is it easy? Nope. Is it worth it? Absolutely. The Manaslu Circuit is challenging with long days, steep climbs, and unpredictable weather, but every step comes with rewards you will never forget. Roaring rivers, sparkling waterfalls, and breathtaking Himalayan views. Crossing Larke La Pass at over 5,000 meters, the beauty is indescribable. You just have to experience it yourself. Manaslu is a restricted area. You'll need a few permits to trek here. Manaslu RAP, and you'll need a guide for this one. Manaslu Conservation Area Permit and Annapurna Conservation Area Permit. Tum Valley Permit, only if you're exploring Tum Valley. All of these go through a licensed trekking agency, and a certified guide is a must. Why is it restricted? It's all about protecting the environment and the unique culture here. The trail passed through sacred places, and keeping it pristine helps maintain its beauty and authenticity. Tea houses bring the trek to life. Cozy rooms, warm blankets, and hearty meals make every stop feel like home. In the lower villages, you'll find proper showers. The higher you climb, you'll have to take showers out of buckets, cold but refreshing. And hot showers may be available for a small fee, so you'll have to carry some cash. And for food, you'll find dal bhat, momo, chow mein, spaghetti, breads, and soups that fuel your journey. In the lower camps, there are local hydropowers available. In the higher camps, there are solar panels, so charging often requires a small fee. Wi-Fis are mostly available through NTC and Ncell data, and they can be slow in peak season. And some tea houses might charge a fee too. Bring a power bank because outlets aren't guaranteed everywhere. There are no ATMs available, so remember to bring some cash from the city so that you can use it for your hot shower, Wi-Fi, electricity, extra food, and bar hopping. Allocate your budget from 1,000 to 2,000 Nepali rupees per person per day. In the lower Manaslu region, you'll find a mix of Hindu and Buddhist tradition, festivals, temples, and village life. And in the higher regions, Tibetan-influenced Buddhist culture, monasteries, prayer flags, chants in the wind. This trail immerses you in culture. It doesn't just show it, you'll feel it. From start to finish, the Manaslu Circuit is a journey through diverse landscape and cultures. In the lower region, you'll find flowing rivers, lush rice terraces, Hindu-Buddhist villages. And in the higher regions, alpine meadows, Tibetan Buddhist villages, rugged valleys, towering Himalayan peaks. These are the moments to remember. In Tum Valley, you'll find hidden Buddhist kingdoms, monasteries, timeless landscapes. Seringumba is perched on cliffs, almost touching the sky. Pyungen and Pongker lakes are these gorgeous turquoise reflections of peaks. And Norku village has a high altitude life which seem frozen in time, with yaks grazing beside prayer flags. And if you have the time, you must visit Norfu Valley, which is filled with remote villages, ancient monasteries, untouched landscapes. If you want to extend your trek, you might as well do the Larke Circuit Trek, depending on your pace and choice. Take your time at key villages like Samdo and Samsung. Listen to your body, pace yourself, and prioritize safe acclimatization. The Manaslu circuit is challenging. Long days, steep climbs, and unpredictable weather. Altitude is the main difficulty. Other days are moderate. Crossing Larke La Pass at 5,160 meters is the ultimate highlight. This trek is a journey through culture, nature, and you'll make unforgettable memories. And not just only that, but you'll have the time to self-reflect and connect with yourself and your body, which I think everyone should experience once in their lifetime. And that's everything that you need to know. If you're planning your trek, Bold Himalaya has years of experience guiding trekkers through these amazing landscapes. They will make your journey a lot smoother and a lot more fun. Hope you have a great adventure out there, and don't forget to respect the trail. See you on the mountain!